Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel CodeBeyondDegree. Welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. Today we are going to explore the ins and outs of working with media in WordPress for uploading and managing image to embedding video and other multimedia files. Let's dive in. The multimedia section in your WordPress dashboard is where you can upload and manage all of the images, videos, and other media's files used on your website. Let's take a closer look at how it's works. To upload media file to your WordPress website, simply navigate to media section and click on add new button. This will open the media uploader where you can select file from your computer to upload. Once the file are uploaded, they will appear in your media library where you can view, edit and manage these as needed. You can also organize your media file into folders or category for easier access. WordPress support a wide range of media file type, including images, videos, audios file, PDF files, and more. You can use this media file to enhance your website contents and engage your audience. To add media file to your post or pages, simply edit the post and page where you want to insert the media, then click on the Add Media button. This will open the media uploader where you can select file from your library or upload new one. Once you have selected the media file you want to insert, you can customize its display settings such as alignment, size and caption. WordPress also allow you to embed media files from external sources like YouTube, Vimeo and SoundCloud. To embed a video from YouTube, simply copy the video URL and paste it into the post editor. WordPress will automatically create the URL in an embedded video players, allowing you to play the video directly on your website. Whether you are sharing photo, video, or other multimedia contents, WordPress make it easy to upload, manage, and embed media file on your website. Experiment with different media type to create engaging and dynamic content for your audience. That's all for today's tutorial on working with media in WordPress. I hope you find this information helpful. Stay tuned for more WordPress tips and tricks in future episodes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for update. See you next time.